MSK Mindset Knowledge.
So from this position, don't sit alone same position. You have to change. Okay? Yes? Here, see 1 minute. Why I am this? Most of the people who are tying only the comfortable zone. Yes, correct? Yes, sir. Here like only comfortable zone. When you are comfortable in some places, you are also handicapped in some places. So please come out from this. You are all my sisters, my friends. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I am telling any terrible story. Why you are seeing as a sorry? Okay? Please. Take 10 minutes. My time. So I have to tell you something for you. Okay? So first of all, another one is you have to understand that the human being is simply called 3 kinds of human beings available. Okay? So if you want to test your mind, in the world wise, more than 48,000 tests is available. Okay? How many tests? 48,000 tests available. But very simply, as a teacher, you must know the parental character. That will very help you to avoid the disturbance from the parents to you. Okay? Or even your family. The human being is one type of human being is always reflective. Reflective means some parents, if you are just something criticism about the student, his student's not good in the last exam means the parent also reflected as that he is done his 6th standard very well, he is 1st standard gold medalist, but after this he is not very well. Okay, so this kind of people you have to understand, they are also reflective, they don't consider the present event, they want to also consider what they have passed in past life. So you don't be angry with them. You have to accept, yes, that time is a very good, but in the time somewhat, don't say anything. Okay? What I say? Sometimes in past is very good. Now, no, very bad. Don't say it very bad. They are immediately very hard to you. Okay? Is something you have to convey this message only enough. Then another one is that is called reflective. Another is affective. Affective means please, you only like a God, please help me. This kind of people are affective. Okay? Miss, are you looking very well, miss? So beauty, miss, ah, miss. But my son is not a good man. This kind of always some affective, they attach very bad to you. The another is very cognitive. Hey, what you are looking? Are you hearing from me? You are not doing well. Okay. This kind of cognitive type. See, never accept anything. You always accept what is known. Okay. So how to tackle the 3 parents? That's the main criteria. First of all, one is you have to reflect this. Some people even you are teaching very hardly, sincerely, but your capacity is not so good. Certain you have to mildly labor so that we organize the one program for tomorrow, day after tomorrow. For the parents means that what are the problems students have? That's problem not solved by the teachers because teachers are working very well. You need another one support is there. That support only create him to understand very well. Okay? You have to explain such a kind of way. He is having something. He is not able to perform very well. So that you have to how to tackle means you have to explain to this parent without hurting yourself or getting them. Okay, so this not only to the parents as well as your co-teachers. Some teachers are always like that. Okay? Understand? All are human beings?
Yes.
Doubt? Okay. Even some family members who take the mamya, that is called mother-in-law also, come they like this. So you are like my daughter, you only save me. Yes. Some people, that daughter-in-law house is working, but you are not working for me. My bad luck. She is having good luck. Okay, this kind of type, what kind of type? There also, someone is reflective, the other one is Is the concrete type is, so are you the daughter-in-law? Not. You are only telling us the daughter-in-law, but you are like the baila. Okay, you always be torturing with me. Why? If I committed something, what will happen? You don't know. If I say something to my son, automatically my son cutted you. Okay, this kind of cognitive people. So you have to understand this prevalent 3 point of people. So you are tackling them by such a way. Okay, can you understand how to tackle them?
First one is reflective, affective,
Affective, cognitive. Cognitive means what he think he conceived in his mind. He always believe that one will be possible. Okay, so this way you can able to tackle many things. Okay, so another one is what are you have to decide what kind of you from this three category. What is the type of your behavior? You just analyze it. Reflective. Okay, so you have to think what are the diseases you may be have. You may become with this number. Other each and every mechanism it may be fault by default. Yes, correct. Okay. Some people are depressed themselves also because of they are longing for their affections. Okay, sir, I am there morning 5 o'clock, got up from the bed, even 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock I am working hard. My husband or my children are not understand me. They only want to work for me alone, even though he doesn't move the table. Also, all tumbler also, he want everything. I am another worker. Yes. In as well as home and also school and also bus. Even bus people, when you are traveling in the train, the people never move. They also disturb me. What can I do, sir? My bad leg, my bad leg. In such a way, don't confuse your mind. Okay? Though, there's some people always think that not you, others. I am only correct. For example, most of the people know when you are traveling in the bus or train, the shoulder bag should not be put on the back, because if you put on the back, in the bag, if you just move his face will be back. This is the main principle, but most of you doesn't know. Okay, so such a people they think that I am also okay, others are not okay. Though you have to consider this only. Okay. So you are a pleasure, your job is only job. You always enjoy your job. Okay? You always very pleasant your job. Nobody understands better than me about you. Yes? Because teaching is how he is hard. As far as me, as far as you. Okay? So that way you are injecting the knowledge, so don't think about that. Okay? So due to that you will be depressed. Okay? This will be eliminated. Another one is all are having the family wish. That's correct or not? Yes? That family wish cannot be fulfilled. Means you are wishing that person to be like that, but he is not willing to do that. Okay? We need a family consultation to remove his barrier, knowledge barrier. Okay? So that you can talk with me anything personal. So another such a kind of worries automatically it will make you a somewhat problem in your mind. You have to eliminate this kind of behavior. Okay, so if you think more automatically you are affected with the headaches. Okay, more headache. This what kind of headache possibly means? You are thinking more than one thought at one time. What will happen? The thought crashes. It will create the headache in your brain. It also disturbs yourself, and also you know one other things. Don't longing for your affection from others. That is your parents, your even husband also, because that's for example you are very affective type. You are always enjoying that husband should talk to me, but he is reflecting me. What will happen? They also think about that. Why I want to talk? This is my job. I go to so many work is there. Why you are longing for me? This kind of problem. You have to accept. Okay. So personalized concern. No, I am not giving the counseling. I am changing the mindset of the people very well to fit the fitness of life. Okay. So from that you have to eliminate. Okay. Just another 10 minutes. You have to put down what is before mindset, after mindset. Write it. Write down. Before mindset, after mindset. So what is this? What is this? Reservation against cancellation.
Reflective, affective, cognitive.
What is this? RAC, reservation against? I think never forget me. Huh? Observe this your capacity. Okay. So I am talking to the many senior police officers such as commissioner and the deputy commissioner. If I if I started my classes more than 3 years about the criminal psychology, the criminal crime of the criminal of the psychology of the criminals, they only looking at my eyes only 3 years. Then after completion of that, he automatically what I delivered, he immediately delivered everything in his mind. So the people never selected by the education, they are selected by the skills. Okay, so what is skills? You know, CEO, what is his job? What is his qualifications? Is any CEO any qualifications? Nothing. That's only is able to communicate. Someone is enough. That is basic qualification is the degree is enough. But is what is his salary? Is more than 1 crore per month for the simple, ordinary, poor company. Can you understand? The poor, simple company paying the 1 crore for CEO. What purpose? What kind of job CEO is doing? He is only clarifying the knowledge. He is like the mind. For that they are paid by the company per month. So that every person needs such a consultation to develop your life. They also develop their services. Okay. So you want to be energetic without disease, or you want to be energetic without disease? Yes. So don't something on your mind. You are also something on. Okay. You have to eliminate. This is a base principle. You have to keep it in your mind. Okay. If you committed more aim, for example, you are a teacher here. Your aim is your child want to be a doctor or engineer. Okay. So what will happen? Yes, a teacher mind is always, I am a teacher, my son should always take in first class. It is a rule.
No.
Written by you. Yes? Written by rule. But it's not rule applied to him. Okay. Even cannot able to rule. You cannot able to rule him. Yes? Because he ruled out. Okay. So this kind of thinking always crush your mind. So it will be frustrated on the other student. Okay. If you don't, from my introduction, so don't feel about your child is not well, your child is not good, he is not earning good marks. So I will help it for your children alone. Okay, don't feel about that. If you admitted some person to the doctor, what is your duty? You have to deputate the entire thing to the doctor. Doctor will concern on this, that one like. Okay. How do you feel about the doctor? What kind of injection you are putting here? How you are putting your knife on his mouth? Nothing. It is not our job. It is none of your job. You have to deputate. Same way. So we will solve all your problems. You have to only think this. You have to deputate us about your family. It is not for others. Because in crescent education, you are all presented and you are very crescent in your life. Okay. So for that, we are also always helping to you. Okay. So another what kind of problem you may have is recognition. Recognition is the main factor. Sometimes, if from today you have to keep in your mind some formula. Okay. What is your age? This is prohibited one. Okay, my child. From today, you onwards, your age is 18. Very confidential. You should not reveal to your husband what will happen. After MSK Purams, he changed something. His age is 35 to 18. What will happen? In few years, it will be 15. But pa. So, dear friends, your age is now what? 18. But it is confidential. Don't reveal it so that we enjoy your life. Okay. We are also then, I am a 45-year-old. I don't have how many years I am working here, you know. Why? I know this foundation too. From foundation I know. But your little girl, you came yesterday. How? Wow. So don't like that way. Okay? You are all young children. Okay, girls? Yes. Okay. Yes. Are anybody old is here?
No, madam.
No, you are a young girl. Don't go for the carpeting. Okay, don't go for the carpeting. Yes, I'm young. Okay, so first of all, you eliminate the age factor. Okay. First of all, you eliminate your age factor. Some people are I am 50. No. In building. No car. No apartment. Only medical department. My bad leg is like that. My son don't like me. You going to do this? I mean, okay. That time the customer will, hi, Nandini. Why? Always calling me, yes, like the school. So don't bust yourself, okay? You want to enjoy. Your energy is nothing. Money is given by nature. He is put as alternately as a God, but it's nature giving. But only thing is service, okay? So you want to service, that someone will keep for you. Someone wait for you. Don't negotiate anything. You are very comfortable zone. Okay. I think the all committee members are told my teachers are my family. He told me, not my family, including me. Why? I don't separate from you.
Yes, you are our brother, no brother.
Yes, I like very much. You are having good memory. Okay. Don't feel about it. Even sometimes the people also always think about his holiness. Sir, from yesterday I am very happy, sir. Why are you telling us unhappy? Why are you expressing unhappy? No, sir. Oftentimes I got something. Yesterday I am very happy. I feel about something will come. Why are you waiting for a death? Some people are always never unhappy. My mother is telling you, if you laugh more, you will be wicked. You have suffered a lot. So always be like a mental. Sit. Some people are never open the mouth. Speaking. He laugh, but don't. Okay. So you are making energy size work. Okay. Be happy. Always some people always think about that. Even see 1 minute. My face is very white, I may be happy. My hair is white, I am not very happy. Why? There are so many people are putting so many full rules in the life. The rules make me fools. Okay, you leave it. Some unmarried males are thinking, I think the husband is like the Arnold Reagan. Okay, mommy, I will be here. What will happen? Puran Devi, Salan Devi. Nothing. You imagine something for that, until you work, you cannot get the imagination. Okay? Something people always over imagination. This is somewhat very illusions type. Okay? Always think about over. These are the characters that will disturb your life. Okay? You always be happy, enjoy your life. You happy, deliver your life. Don't exploit the others. That don't think by heart, by word, anyone does not think. Okay? You'll be happy. Okay? Even so, some people are cursing the God. So I am praying and more, even morning to till night. But God is not opening his eyes. He is open something his eyes. What will happen? God is like that. Nothing. Don't belong to God. Okay? God is not a manager to you. Are you managing God? God is a manager to you? Or something, Nandini is asking me something, you have to sanction it or postpone it, nothing. God is only energy. Okay? God is energy. If you be a reflector, automatically it will be observed. Okay? So, cell is, tower is there, cell is there. How it is connected by the waves? So that you have to create the positive waves. Okay? When you are entering the crescent, you also create the positive waves. When you create the positive waves, automatically you will get the flourish in your life. Okay? Don't repeat anything. Okay? Accept your fault. Though then you will be respect. But we are not hesitate. You know that some people are always fear about that. If I committed wrong, what will happen? So nobody writes to ask me any questions. So such a person I am. The son will come, Mummy, how are you? Are you fool? In front of all. Okay? Don't worry. You have to accept everything. You are a mother, like a mother. Okay? You have to perform like that, that you have to replace some knowledge with your mind, it will affect your problem. Okay, okay. So first, what are the occupational stress for girls means? You have to for the preventive diseases. If you are, suppose your mother or father, your liked one is someone death means someone deathed. If you think about overly about their separations, and also some after death you are suffering due to the death is one symptom. Another one is, even though he is existed, but he is not linked with me. For example, you are in one family, you like mostly your brothers or sisters. Due to some environment, the sisters or brothers separate from you. You are also longing that. But this longing to type of thing will create the cancer. Okay. For example, or if you doubt in my philosophy, if you go to the cancer people, if you are inquiry about the why you are suffering means, I lost my son, or my son was lost due to the marriage incident, or accident. So this kind of problem creates the cancer. Okay. Another one is, if you have the money crisis, financial crisis is not, it is common to all. Okay, not only for you. Your crisis may be 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore. Okay, beggars having a problem, 100 rupees. Businessman having 100 crore. Okay, financial crisis is common to all. If you think about the whole financial crisis yourself alone, you are alone discussing such a people. We are finding the people who are ready to accept some factors. Yes, correct? Who is the best friend to you? Wherever you are something crying, that person also crying. You become a friend. Okay, because you are suffering, yes, like me. So we are all friends. Okay. So such a way you are increasing your problem by discussing something, so that creates the osmotic problem in your mind life. Okay. Another one is, if you are husband or wife, but not coordinated very well, they are not having sharing their affection mutually. So you are longing for affection. That person is affection, but is not giving means the girl is most probably affected by the problem that is called ovarian cyst. You know, that is uterus problem due to the lack of affection from the husband, so that the family therapy is entirely needed, both husband and wife. Okay. Another one is, your life will be, or your life in past life may be somewhat problematic, but your longing for the after marriage life will be good. But that time also making the problem means you are isolated in the world. You automatically, what will happen? Nobody ready to ask me, ready to share me. That creates the problem. So that I create the one formula that is called the Mind Partnership Program. That is called Mind Partnership Program. Don't feel about that. You are having the business partner, life partner, financial partner, material partner. But I am a life partner, I am a mind partner to you. I share everything. You can share everything. You eliminate the all knowledge. The eternal thing of the life is you want to be happy. Yes, okay. You never to give any, you never, anybody never able to give anything to others. Is correct or not? Yes? So, another one is, I put my Facebook as one thing. Most of the parents are handicapped their children by giving to all. Can you understand? Their modern parents think they want to serve or they want to fulfill all their needs. What will happen? The person is not working well means he automatically his efficiency will be down. So don't like that. He is having the hand, he is having the leg, he must run, he must catch. Okay. So as a parent, I want to earn something, I want to give 100 crore. It is imagination, it is disturb you. Nothing. Your best product of you is your services. Your best product of your life is your child. For child, you want to plan it. If you want to construct a building, are you construct individually or you are construct with the engineer? Engineer. So I am a mind engineering. For as present teachers, if you want a child problem or family problem, business problem, even sir, my husband is doing a lot of business, cannot able to win the business, we are giving the business type of consultation. So all kind of help we are giving you. The only thing is you are serving the good organization, or is serving the good. Okay, right now, so you are all from today you are enlightened people. Yes, correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, you must share your happy alone. You don't think of this. The people always, if you go to some peoples, particularly they're working in the government school, you know. Okay? The government school peoples earn much, but earn too much less. Yes? Okay? But in private school also, you are learn much and much. For example, it is a video recording, but in those link, permanent job holder, if he terminated from the permanent job, he never live one day. He terminated his life. Yes, correct or not? Yes? Yes. But you can able to survive anywhere.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Because if you give 2,000 rupees, you can live very happy. Yes. But they give the 50,000 rupees, they are never happy. Okay? Happy is in your mind. Okay? The world is created for us. But only thing is, we need technology. Already below the earth, water is available. Apart from the water, oil is available. So want to penetrate the earth by technology. Same way, I am penetrating your mind by using the mindset technology to live serve happily. Okay, dear friends? Okay? You have to forgive all your problem makers. We always remind ourselves about the problem makers. Yes, correct or not? Yes, from earlier stages. Yes, sir, girls, what I found my consultation means, in the world, nobody free from the childhood problem. Particularly girls, all are affected in some other manner. Some other, teased by some other manners by some other people. So, don't put on this mind. Okay? Wherever you repeated in this kind of affected problem in your mind, you automatically get frustrated in your life. So, if you are untalkable matter means you are discussing with me, we will eliminate from this mind, you will enjoy that. Okay? Please write it. Within the 10 minutes, what you have understood. You can just get short to discuss with your friends after the completion of this program. Okay? Please. So, another session is, I give some instructions here. Most of the students learning, reading, writing, memory problems. Okay? This memory problem not treated by advice or counseling. So we are having the, if you go visit to the msklifeclaim.com, we are introduced to one gym for mind. Gym for physical is there. Introduced gym. We plan to organize this gym to the entire India as well as to abroad. So I am also searching the good social initiative people to come and join with us. Okay. So this gym is, as a physician, how diagnosis the physical body by various instruments. We are also diagnose your mind system, and after that we are giving the psychological treatment to cure the mind related education problem. Okay. So you have to keep in your mind, and also as a child, as a parent, you have to understand this. The marital fitness, marriage fitness. Okay, we are having the physical fitness. Some another one is called marriage fitness, because even gents to ladies having various kind of dream about their life. Okay, but they won't feel, they won't think about whether we are eligible to acquire or we are workability to acquire. So such a kind of problem mutually arise the problem in their life. So we are introducing the marriage fitness and as well as corporate fitness. For example, you want to be a very corporate role model for your child, student. Okay. So what are the behavior you have to acquire in subsequent sessions and subsequent visits? I have allotted minimum 2 hours to give the various kind of training for you. Okay, are you accept? Yes? Okay. So this session, now you have to realize some exercise I will give you. You have to keep in your mind. Okay? Please stand 1 minute. And please stand. You have to feel you are all weighted, loaded on your foot. Feel. Okay? Please sit down. Something don't sit, be stand. Okay. So always sitting position is you have to stand like that straight only. You have to entire load to be where? Downloaded, but you are put only, but we are only single loaded. Okay, so how to avoid it? Just was 5 minute session is you just look at my eyes. Please, I look at my eyes. Don't support your hand to your chip because it is too many weight is head, not head weight. Okay, look at my eyes. Please close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your own eyes. You have to keep your mind. Close your own eyes. You have to imagine what I say. From today onwards, we are working for the Crescent institutions. You have to image only. Don't say anything. We are from today onwards start to work. Our institution will be very shortly be a university. We are a people attract only good things. We forget all our personal problems. We forget those people created trouble in me as well as to institutions. And also we love our own family and own child and also our student. So far, I think there is an individual. Now I promoted myself. I am a representative of nature or God to the entire community, entire human community, entire creation of the world. So from today onwards, I take all responsibility about the others to develop their life. Wherever unknowingly committed wrong to my life, committed wrong things in my life, I give forgiveness to them. Their wrong commitment that stimulated me to be a best. So they unknowingly they worked as a catalyst for me. So from today onwards, every day when I start my schools, Crescent schools, I pray with blessing. This school will be a very old, reputed universities. For that we are working. Oh my nature, oh my God, we are all a pure soul. Our soul is part of you. But we are always aiming for the social wellness. We don't keep it in our mind. By caste wise, speed wise, we are all thinking about your creatures. Oh my God, oh my nature, please select me. We are a representative of you. We think from today onwards, I will definitely support my family to be happy. Definitely I support my child, my husband, my wife, my mother-in-law, father-in-law, mother and father, my brothers and sisters, all peoples. I do my own support without partiality. So far what I had conceived about their bad things, about behavior, I eliminate everything from my mind. Oh my God, from today onwards, I work. No, I service. I render my service for the growth of human community. Please think Whatever the people committed something to you, you have to forgive. Even your colleagues, your family members, or your co-passenger or travelers or anything who committed something to you or something wrong to you, you have to forgive. And also, first of all, bless your family. All are very good peoples. All are very fine peoples. So far, I considered as they are doing for me by wrong. But from MSK program, they committed according to their knowledge. So I never blame the peoples. First of all, you give thanks to Almighty, thanks to God, thanks to nature to select you as a teachers. In your mind, please create the good vibrations to your entire classroom. Please imagine you are in front of your class, in front of your student. From your mind, you have to radiate the good energy to the all students. You have to radiate the energy to the all students. From today, all are my souls. All are my soulmate. I am created by the God is to enlighten their soul. So, whoever making a problem for the institutions, I forget their misbehavior because they indirectly help us to withstand. All people in our around us, very good. There is no caste and greed. All peoples are my brothers and sisters, my family. So I am born to win. Not only win myself, also I make to win others. Thanks to God, thanks to Almighty, thanks to nature for giving this opportunity. And also, oh good energy, whoever giving the all kind of mental work, physical work to organize program. I am also giving that gratitude to them to do more and more for the entire community. This mindset replaces something knowledge in your mind and also create the good knowledge in our mind. Personally, you have to think your own devotee or deity, your God, your Almighty. Personally think, 1 minute. You must thank your Almighty or God. Slowly open our eyes and look at me only. Don't look at others. So from today, you are a particle of nature. You are born to not only win, but also to make to others win. Okay? So, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And also, after we will announce another schedule. What are the problems from family, your friends? What are the problems related to education? Anything you are come and discuss with me with confidential. Okay? And one more request is, someone is come here means you don't ask that someone. So what kind of discuss you are married? Okay, this is a personal. Okay, I never discuss to any other one. Okay, okay, that's a feedback session. I am telling you. First of all, from today, your role model, your child. Yes, correct or not? Yes, your child. So we want to put the water from the water can. This water where come from where? If I put the water in the tumbler, this water come from what? Where? Okay. This water is bad. That means this water is bad. If you want to your child to be first, Or you want to become a children or want to be a West? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay? So you come first. Okay? Understand? So before the MSK program, how you feel? After the MSK program, how you change? Okay? Please, who is ready? Who is first come? Please come here. Because you are a bottle. Please come. You come. You want to mic or mic distance? Please come. So India created one best system that is called rational system. You know, rational. What is means of rational system? You have to stand queue. That is called rational. That is called rational shop. Okay. Who is ready to come? Don't memorize. What you feel? You can able to expose your inner thought. How you change it? This is already introduction program. In due courses we commit the various kind of program. Please don't think as that we are already having such a way. We will have another such a way. Nothing. What is past is past. Now future is how you develop. That's only. Most of the people think that, sir, already I have some. Nothing. Already we have same way. But what we have now, that's my thing. Please come. I think very shy. No shy. Yes. Make a big clap for the madam. I just announced you to all. Yes? But who started immediately? Madam. Okay. Same way we are unconsciously stopped by someone, you have to think. Okay? Unconsciously, it may be sight or something, any other problem, it disturbs you. I think you are not having any Babika. But it disturbed something. Okay? So we have to eliminate. Okay.
And how I do not know the time and how the time has passed. My colleague was also telling me, we didn't see the time at all. When we came in the morning, I tell you, we came reluctantly, unwillingly. Workshop
workshop.
Yesterday was the sir.
That is called workshop, one of the duty in workshop. Cutting is a workshop
So
duty.
I thought the workshop is going to be very boring. Okay. Then second thing, from long time we are not getting any holidays because this Sunday also I work. I have taken some children for some other exam. They have given some exam in Chembur. I have taken them. I have accommodated them to Chembur. So I thought there is no gap. Today I feel I have taken rest here. My mind is clear. I request all my management brothers to arrange such program in future also.
Yes, correct.
Time எப்படி போச்சுன்னு தெரியல சார்.
Yes.
எப்படி போச்சுன்னு தெரியல. நான் actually ஃபுல்லாவே தமிழ்ல பேசக்கூடாது, இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசணும்னு தான் வந்தேன். Because most of them they don't understand. I mostly talk in English or Hindi. உண்மையிலேயே டைம் எப்படி போச்சுன்னு தெரியல. நிறைய விஷயம் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். இது நீங்க எழுதி பிஃபோர் எம்கே என்ன சொல்றீங்க? MSK ஆஃப்டர் MSK ஃபுல்லாவே சேஞ்ச்.
Good. Thank you.
மனசார சொல்றேன்.
Really happy, madam, because such a wonderful feedback. So, in old ways, most of the work is shop only. Okay, most all the workshop is they also some presentation by the what is this point PowerPoint. Yeah? Okay, they won't think our point. They are all sleeping point. They are on standing point. Okay, management will be committed. Suicide point.
So sir, actually if I write something, I'll write 1 or 2 points only. And just for namesake, I'll hand over it to you and move. So I'm standing before you.
Thank you.
மனசுல இருக்கிறது ஃபுல்லா என்ன இருக்கோ
Very good, very good.
மனசால ஃபுல்லா சொல்லி.
Very good. Thank you. Really happy to ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Good.
Other relatives are staying in Chennai only for 5 days.
You never meet me. Glad to meet. Good. Because of we are not meet, we are having the relationship not for us, it is for us. Okay. Whenever you are enlightened, you will be automatically inspired to all people. Okay. You are a power of the engine of the power. You are power of the key. You know, all boats are pulled by you. You are a powerful man, not powerful man. Okay. Next. Please come. Another one. Don't, madam. Leave. Please, you come. I'm going to start from you. It's good, very good, very nice girl. I like very much. Good. Very good. Why? Say, we start another one programs very shortly. How to overcome this kind of, whether you are already capable, sir. But in front of all, we cannot able to deliver something. But we are complaining the politician he is doing wrong. But he committed to talk in all, how many people? Lakhs and crore people. That's the thing. So that I found this kind of thing. Okay, please come. So you have to name it one by one. Start. Yes. Just tell your name and before after. Yes, it's good, correct.
Sir and sir.
Don't worry.
Start. Let's start.
Very, very nice girl. You also start.
Things today. The whole day we were laughing and we had learned something. I feel the same thing we can apply it in the class also.
Yes, yes.
See, when we go for a lecture in the class, like 1 hour, 1.5 hours, children just keep listening. At the end of the lecture, don't know what they get it. But today sir was explaining a lot, but unknowingly we have learned it. The same thing I think so the teachers can apply it in the class also. So even the involvement is there. Like students they have involved a lot. I mean we can involve the students many ways, isn't it? So that thing I wanted to share. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you. I'm a psychologist. If I started now, I make to cry. You have 1 week you will cry without stop. So I can it's possible because I know the anatomy of the mind. Okay, same you are teaching, but I am not teaching you. I am making surgery on you. Okay, why I am charging per company more than 1 lakhs per day means it's not a simple company. So all executive corporate people never sit on me to enjoy. You want the result. When you spend 1 day 1 lakhs to me means you have to within a 1 month you have to gain more than 1 crore. That's my formula. Okay, most of the people say, I know nothing. You never know anything. So you are a teacher, I am. But I am talking with the people who are business in more than lakhs and crore people. So that way the people expect from me is my technology to improve their institutions. Okay, so nothing. Students differ, this is differ, therapist is differ. I am a therapist. Okay, so I am really happy. So all these are good examples for madam and also master of ceremony MC madam also delivered some good words. I like very much. For that, can you do one papers? Papers you have to write in newspapers your name and your address and today that your positions, your class, that's your qualification. That before after you have to write for me research. Okay, please.
Paper है क्या?
If you want to think something, another one is before MSK, after MSK. How many points you have to recollect your mind? That's your potentiality. Okay, that before, after. But deliberately we don't criticize it. You have to just as a doctor, what is the duty means? He needs the proper diagnosis for the proper treatment. Same way I diagnose you to help you. Okay. So another session will be our president. Take and Mr. Deputy and my dear friend Mr. Dr. Asim and also my best wisher, well-wisher of Mr. Shah Madrasi and also my Mumbai sisters and brothers. I think you are sleepy.
No, sir.
So I am really happy. I am also thanks to God to give this opportunity. Happy. Thank you. All the best.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you. I don't think that if I ask how was the program, then everybody accepted that it was a very nice and good program. Are you agree with this? Yes. Okay. So have you learned anything? So many. So you are going to apply on your life. If you apply like this, if you apply to the children, if you apply to the parents, if you apply to the management, then it will so good and we can able to progress in our life. I think so. Is it right? Yes. Very good. So what I want to tell you is, actually our brother Shahjahan Bhai is the one of the founder member in our present English school. He told me very earlier about him, Mr. Mohiuddin, Dr. Mohiuddin. And I thought a little bit, it won't work. I thought like that. It is very true I am saying that. But when again and again he told me that arrange the program, it will be a good for our society because we are all working here. I don't hereafter call you like a teacher. I will call you a representative of Crescent. So, okay. So I thought that, okay, we will arrange one program, very big level. It will help us in our life. I thought that, but it is really, I appreciated him because of the way he is talking, the way he is saying this. It is very good for us and we have to apply in this. And then if you want to attend more program, because we are having hereafter, he is the one of the, our founder member will be very soon, he will be joined us. We are going to construct very university level. You all have to pray and you are all one of the members in this institution. So I would like to thank you all who has participated in this program and try to understand this program and implement to all, everybody, then it will work for us. It will, we are all, so for social cause we are doing here. He already explained very well about the program, about the things which we want to do in our life. So we always be happy, be positive, it will work, it will work. So I would like to thank you, Almighty, for the program arranged. And you are all very excited, I think. So we will, tomorrow the program, you know, for 9th and 10th student in the morning session and afternoon session, parent session. And then Sunday there will be a meeting, there will be a program on Nerul at Seawood in Tamil. So those who know Tamil very well, they can participate on that program. So I would like to call you the program and detail I will tell you. So you kindly attend that Sunday program also. Thank you very much. Family problems, financial problems, or anything it may be, you can meet him personally, separately, individually, and it will be a confidence here. So if you have, because everybody is having the problem, it is true. Without problem, nobody is there. So we have to, you can contact and he will help you after the Jimma at 3 o'clock, after 3, because lunch is also there.
You come for me for the problem. Treatment for the problem is Sunday. But dealing with the problem for the development is essential. Okay, you can contact with me, even your child, your family, your husband or wife, anything you want, everything confidential. It is available from, I already told 3 o'clock onwards. Okay, thank you my dear, thank you.
for making this program successful. I would thank Brother Mohiuddin for giving his valuable guidance to the teachers. I would like to thank all our management members for making so much efforts for arranging the program for the benefit of the teachers. I would like to thank all the HMs and the teachers for giving their precious time. And last but not least, I would like to thank non-teaching staff for their cooperation. Thank you. May God bless you all.
Take the papers, written all whatever has in your mind. Okay, so shall I start collecting from here? One teacher can take responsibility from this row, one can from this row, and one can from this row. Any one stand up and collect it from all the teachers, no? And then please, and so on. Thank you.
சொல்ல முடியாத அழுத்த நினைவுகள், அடக்க முடியாத அழுகை, கட்டுப்படுத்த முடியாத கோபம், தாங்க முடியாத கஷ்டம், தன்னை யாரும் புரிந்து கொள்வதில்லை என்ற ஏக்கம், அதிகமான பயம், தூக்கமின்மை, உடல் சார்ந்த வலி, இன்னும் இது போன்று பல சிக்கல்களிலிருந்து விடுபட நாங்கள் உதவுகிறோம். அணுகவும். உளவியல் முதல் உதவிக்கு MSK ஜஸ்ட் கால் 93 602 53 930.
MSK Life Clinic Foundation.